Welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on a GE top loader washer filled with water. First thing we're going to do is activate the diagnostic mode by holding the start button down and turning the knob 7 clicks to the left. Then let go of the start button. As you'll see the blinking lights that indicates that you are in diagnostic mode. Turn the knob clockwise and eliminate the wash and the soak, and then press the start button to activate the drain pump. Once activated, you should hear a hum or the pump trying to work. If so, that means the main board is doing its job and the pump's trying to get the water out. I recommend using a wet vac to remove the water from the tub. Pull the washer forward and lean towards its back. If you do have a shop vac, I would definitely use that to remove the remaining water from the bottom of the tub. Also have a pair of vice grips ready to remove the clamp from the pump. So here's the pump. It has, I guess you would say, a 10 millimeter. And here is the pipe that obviously has water at the moment. So when you use the vice grips, just don't yank off the hose, because obviously the water will just spill everywhere. So first remove the clamp without removing the hose. Vice grips are well. So since I have a wet vac, I'm just going to remove the hose gently as I turn the wet vac on to remove the remaining water. And like I said, if you do not have a wet vac, just have like 4 or 5 towels underneath and some type of bowl to catch the remaining water. Okay, so I removed all the water, and you have 3 bolts that holds the housing of the motors. They're 10 millimeter. There's one on the left, one on the right, and the far back. A total of 3. Okay, once removed, you'll see a harness that connects to the drain pump assembly. To remove the clip, just press the little button on the harness and pull out. Okay, this harness is clipped into the gear case, I guess you would call it. So just take a pair of needle nose or something like that to pry off. Then try to remove the excess plastic clip that connects to the gear case. This way you can connect the new pump with the new harness. So here's the drain pump. Here is the part number. I will leave a link in the description below if you need this part. Okay, so you would need a 10 millimeter to remove the 3 bolts that connects the pump to the housing of the tap. Then just pull gently down and the pump should just pull right off. Make sure to remove the gasket that's still connected to the tub that actually belongs to the pump. Now take the new pump, and I recommend just placing the hose right on the pump. That way if it does have any water, it will hold that water into place. Like I said, just remove that gasket, slide in, align with the 3 bolts, or align the holes, I guess you would say. Once you install 1 bolt, then you can basically just let go of the pump and just make sure everything's aligned correctly. Now let's reconnect the harness. Just clip right into place. And I forgot to remove that excess, so I'll just take these, remove it. This way I can clip the new harness into place. So reconnect harness. And clip this into the gear case. Now let's reconnect the hose. I recommend using the vice grips, clamping the clamp, I guess you would say, first. That way you can move the hose without worrying about losing the grip. Slide onto place and just line up correctly, and then let go of the vice grips. So now everything is into place. We're going to reinstall the motor cover. Once you place 1 bolt into the gear case, then the rest are pretty much easy. Now let's place the machine back into diagnostic mode by holding the start and 7 clicks to the left and let go of the start. So in this test mode, I'm going to actually place water in the tub so I can test the drain pump, which is wash, wrench, and spin. Stop. So to activate the drain pump is soak and wash. So it looks like the washer is doing its job now. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future videos and tips.